Why'd they leave? They getting fed down there too. They left me to go all the way down there. Oh, here they come. They coming back. Maybe, no. You got this little dude's gonna have a good, these guys gonna have a little good snack. Hey. These guys are gonna have a good snack. Oh shit, here they all come. See, they tearing these up. I could put some piles for you. There they go again. Oh, they got a picnic.
Oh, they be like a mine, but it's yours.
The buffet.